so here we got the 3 guns right here. Let's start us off with the one y'all know the best. A nice little Supreme briefcase, as my boys in the Discord said. So we got my AAP-01 right here. Just get this baby started. The Action Army AAP-01 Assassin Gas Blowback Pistol. According to evike.com, it shoots 312 feet per second. It's approximately 129 millimeters long. It's about 1.43 pounds, or for those not in the United States, that's 648 grams. The magazines are 22 rounds, and they're G-spec and green gas, obviously. It's a semi and full auto. It doesn't come with rails, the version that I got. It's approximately $99.95 before tax on evike.com. Mine is stock, except for I have 2 Action Army G-Series mags. I have Action Army CNC magwell, an Action Army thumb stopper, an Action Army extendo mag release, and a TTI red charge ring. And I do have some plans for the future for upgrades, so look forward to that. Alright, so I'm on my deck, which is about 50 feet away. We'll try to hit these 2 little targets right here. Ooh, sometimes this does happen. A BB will be loaded in the chamber. It's any gas gun, really. Shooting 3 2s. All right, let's do a little full auto. Yep, see, there we go. Just gotta shake her out, that's all it needs. All right, go with the left target, right target, left target, right target. All right. So there we go for that. All right, so this is the AAP-01 at 25 feet. Oh. Going with semi first. Haha. Alright, now we're about to do 50 feet. Ooh. Ugh. It's like bang over here. Alright, 50 feet. AAP-01, semi. There we go. AAP-01, we're doing fully auto now. 25 feet. Oh, that was semi. Drilled her though. Easy money. All right, now we are back at 50 feet. AAP-01 full auto. Huh. Tough. Okay, so loaded up just a couple more mags. Oh shit. Loaded up just 2 more mags, just so we can get some more full auto, so I can actually hit that bitch from 50 feet. God damn. All right. I think I heard a dink. I guess that'll just have to be good enough for now. Alright, So now we've seen the AAP-01. I know you guys have seen this video. It was in my most recent video, at least the time of filming this, SMG Airsoft moments. There will be more MP5 action in the next video, I promise. But this is the Elite Force MP5. Comes with the A4 and the A5 stock. The Elite Force H&K Competition Kit MP5 A4/A5. According to Evike, it's around 320 and 330 FPS, making it ideal for CQB. It's about 7,100 millimeters plus or minus 50 millimeters depending on the stock. The inner barrel is 210 millimeters long. The package comes with two 200 round high cap magazines. It is semi and full auto with an ambidextrous selector switch. The package comes with a gun, the two mags, the A4 and A5 stock. It's fully licensed and goes for around $184.95 on evike.com. It's not bad. It's a sport line. I got it for my brother for Christmas, but he still lets me use it. So we got 7.4 LiPo battery. Mother yacker. It can be annoying at times. It's the best of times, it's the worst of times. I'll get better at this shit, don't worry folks. There we go, folks. Oh, so close. There we go. Alright, so we're back at the two targets at 50 feet. Got a high cap full of 2.5s. Or 3.2s I meant actually. I did the HK slap. So yep, the hop up is this little lever right here if you can't tell. Let's get a little full auto busting. All right, it's 25 feet, the MP5. Oh, yeah, the selector switch does like to kind of move on you, so you got to be careful. It's got a nice little power on it for a little SMG. I mean, as you can see, I was playing with it at Bang, which is an outdoor field. And it's doinking people from pretty far. All right, now we're just taking her back to 50 feet. A little semi. Not bad. Nicht schlecht. Das ist, was ich sagte auf Englisch, nicht Deutsch. Because das ist H&K. Full auto, MP5, 50 feet. Send a little burst down there. Burst. So it's more than enough to need to take down the target. All right, MP5. We had the AAP-01. Then we had the H&K MP5 Sportline Edition. Now, my newest gun in my collection. I picked this bad boy up yesterday. Oh, it's a SEMA. Let's get the gender reveal for y'all. It is the CM Point CM.031D. The SEMA CM.031D, otherwise known as the AK-105. According to Evike, it's around 370 to 400 feet per second, making it ideal for outdoor scenarios. It's around 620 or 840 millimeters long, depending on the stock is folded or not. It's about 3,400 grams, and the inner barrel is 400 millimeters roughly. It comes with a 600 round polymer high cap magazine. It's semi and full auto, and the package comes with a gun, magazine, 7.4 LiPo battery, and charger. The package on Evike is $210.55, or just the gun itself on Evike is $176. Yes, sir. Bought this off a buddy yesterday. He bought it to go airsofting, maybe shot it twice in his backyard, and then he sold it to me for a solid price. Only thing that I have noticed so far is I did break the charging handle, so I won't go back now, but it's pretty solid. I will probably put a new handguard on here, get some of that paracord rope around the stock, probably gonna add an optic too, and we'll see. All right, let's get the battery in this bad boy. I mean, it's class an AK, so just right here we have another Matrix 7.4 LiPo. Excuse the sniffling, boys. It's still solidly warm, but not the warmest. Probably 40 degrees, which for Illinois in February ain't bad. Also not very good at putting the AK upper receiver covers or dust covers back on, but I got it right there. So semi, obviously it's an AK, and there's full auto for you. So not bad, not bad. Definitely got this as a secondary primary, if you know what I mean, because my Polar Star does go down a solid amount, at least at the moment, so I just want to have something reliable that I can use as a backup. So comes with a polymer high cap. So this is the 50 feet 2 targets. Semi, I guess. So full auto now. Easy. Let's go check these targets out. So this one was brand new. It's got a good amount of dinks in it now. This one was semi-new. Couple dinks. Not bad. Also, the stock does fold, and there's how you undo it. But that's the scope mount, and it folds that way, and I'll probably put a scope mount on here. So this won't be folding too much after a couple days. Also, the inner barrel goes to like right here. Make sure everyone has glasses on, by the way, if you do that. So I probably will take off this flash hider and add a suppressor, as I kind of tend to do. All right, so we got the AK semi-auto. Yeah, we're at 25 feet. Actually, now we're at 25 feet. All right, let's see how this goes. Again, just 2 shots to put that baby out. It's looking sexy. AK full auto now. Simple as that. All right, 50 feet semi, AK-105. There we go. All right, so here we got 50 feet full auto. simple as that. Don't try this at home, especially without iPro. 2 gun lengths away, so it's probably 6 feet-ish. See what this does. Any noticeable ones? Not really. Not that I can tell from my original look. Holy shit, it's bent. Look how bent that is. Burst. Alright, for S's and G's, I'm going to try to shoot a couple of the targets over by the X wall. Alright. Dump a couple more rounds. Sorry, yeah, this is so much fun. My pile of wood. Voila. The AAP-01. The Heckler & Koch MP5 and the SEMA 031D or the AK-125. Pretty happy with everything. Everything shoots how I would like it to be. Nothing is below or really exceeds my standards, so I can't really complain too much. Everything is pretty cheap guns right here. Everything is affordable. I think retail, at least this package, might be closest to 300, so it's probably the most expensive one right here. But the AAP-01, that's $100. It's a polymer gas pistol. It's excellent though. The HK MP5, this package is $200. It's the Sportline version, but it shoots sufficiently, to be honest. It'd be perfect for a beginner kind of CQB gun. Everything today was shooting .32s, as I've said, and everything seems to be shooting just perfectly. Can't really complain. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one. Fuck that bush. That's the sound of my people. So we got the AK. Whoa, I don't know why my voice is like that.
Thank you, come again. You should bring your friend. You should bring your sister. I heard she's your twin. Diamonds when I grin.